up, everybody? So today's not going to be a moto vlog because I'm busy moving into my new storage unit. As you can see, it's not the biggest thing in the world. I wanted something that was like a one stall, one car garage, but they didn't have any of that size. All they had was something unnecessarily large, like a 10 by 30, or this 10 by 12, which I think is just gonna have to do. We got enough room here for both bikes, not much room to walk around both bikes once they're in here. And then I got a whole wall of storage. I got lucky since I'm in the middle here. You can see I get the peak. It's probably, I don't know, at least 14, possibly 16 feet at the peak there. Yeah, I'm not supposed to, but I think I'm gonna drill these in, hold them tight to the wall. These actually are held together, supposedly, with these little things. So I guess if they do fall, they all fall at once, but that shouldn't be an issue. So then I'll have all the storage on this wall here, and then this side of the garage, or this, 2/3 of the garage, is going to be motorcycle storage, tools, and yeah, I guess that's about it. Bike related stuff. Anyways, I got some unpacking to do. Alright, I didn't have much to bring on this load because, as you can see, I've already made about 2 or 3 trips today. But I got, Halloween decorations, I got my calendar, which I'm going to hang, and a bunch of chemicals and cleaning supplies. 18-foot long jumper cables for the big rig. I think I might just put them in the Jeep. Be kind of handy to jump the car 2 cars over. Perhaps it's my fault for not reading entirely or just not knowing, but I'm finding out the hard way that some of these taller storage bins don't fit on these freaking shelves. Luckily this one's not too heavy, so I can put it up top. I've got way too many tie downs and stuff. I don't know, do you guys save stuff like this? I got like crap load of little ratchet straps. I don't know what to do with this stuff. Anybody need a cramp buster? Oh, son of a bitch. Look. More straps. And buckles. So there is one thing I'm a little nervous about. As you can see, they put about 1.5 inch lip on the concrete there. Which, I don't know, shouldn't be a problem. But it is kind of tight quarters trying to get in here. So swinging the bike around here and into here over the lip might be a little challenging. I might just have to get like some sort of a tapered board or something I could put across here for when I pull the bikes in and out. Oh, that might be the better option, actually. Alright, I guess that's about it for today. I'm not exactly sure how much time I'm going to be spending here or how much of this storage unit you guys will be seeing. Oh yeah, I took some video of our cat. We have a new cat, new member of the household. His name is Conan. He is a purebred Sphynx, hairless cat, which is a little bit of a misnomer. They got like a really soft peach fuzz, actually. Kind of weird looking, but it grows on you. And he's a really cool guy. I'm sure a lot of you people out there aren't cat people, whatever that means. But we can't have dogs, and I like having an animal in the house. And by animal, I don't mean fish, and I don't mean hamsters. I prefer cats. So that's what we got. His name is Conan, so I'll show you some footage of him. And after that, I guess until next time, ride safe, and we'll dippity do it another time. Peace. Sit still so I can show everybody how weird you look. That's not where the camera is. Junk shot. Should probably take out the recycling.